Stop. Start.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to my TikTok talk. My speech today will focus on the scientific criteria of developing an integrated model of personality perspective. Personality psychology is defined as the science of studying human differences. To understand how humans differ from one another, science must be able to describe, explain, predict, and control behavior, as well as the interaction between nature and nurture, determinism and free will, reactive and proactive, simple and complex, stereotyping and uniqueness, overt and covert, normal and disorder. The above statement highlights some of the key areas that scientists and researchers need to consider when attempting to understand human behavior and individual differences. Here's a brief explanation of each of these areas. 1. Describing behavior. Before researchers can start explaining or predicting behavior, they need to be able to accurately describe what they are observing. This involves identifying patterns of behavior and categorizing them in a meaningful way. 2. Explaining behavior. Once patterns of behavior have been identified, researchers can start to ask why this pattern exists. This involves developing theories and hypotheses about the causes of behavior. Number 3, predicting behavior. Predicting behavior involves using existing knowledge to make informed guesses about what a person might do in a particular situation. This can help researchers to test their theories and make further observation. 4. Controlling or regulating behavior. Controlling behavior involves manipulating variables in an attempt to change a person's behavior. This can help researchers to test their theories and identify the causes of certain patterns of behavior. The authenticity of a scientific instrument must be able to interpret the interplay of nature and nurture. This is the debate around the relative influence of genetics, nature, and environmental factors, which is known as nurture, on human behavior. Understanding this interaction is essential for understanding human differences. Determinism and free will. This is the debate around which behavior is determined by external factors, or whether individuals have agency and can make choices. This debate is also central to understanding human differences. Reactive and proactive. This distinction refers to whether behavior is primarily driven by reaction to external stimuli or by internal goals and motivation. Both of these factors can contribute to individual differences. Simple and complex. Human behavior can be simple and easily explained, or it can be complex and difficult to understand. Understanding both types of behavior is essential for understanding individual differences. Stereotyping and uniqueness. People are both similar to and different from one another. Understanding the balance between stereotyping and acknowledging individual uniqueness is important for understanding individual differences. Overt and covert. Behavior can be obvious and visible, or hidden and difficult to observe. Understanding both types of behavior is important for understanding human differences. Finally, normal and disorder. This is the distinction between behavior that is within the range of typical behavior, that's normal, and behavior that is outside that range and may be indicative of a psychological disorder. Understanding both types of behavior is important for understanding human differences. Overall, this area provides a framework for researchers to study and understand behavior, including the ways in which individuals differ from one another. That's all. See you in the next TikTok talk. Bye. Music.